Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. My name is Katie and I'm the organic esthetician. So today's video is going to be on the Qyk Sonic Zoe cleansing device. Qyk Sonic makes my favorite cleansing device, the Zoe Bliss and the Zoe Plus. So if you're new to the channel or haven't watched my previous video on cleansing device comparisons, I'm going to put a card right up here so you can hop over and watch that first. So that video gives a comparison between the Qyk Sonic cleansing device, the Foreo cleansing device, and the Qyk Sonic Zoe cleansing device. Spoiler alert, Zoe's my favorite. So it's really important that you cleanse your skin every evening, and ideally you're doing this with a double cleanse. First, you use an oil-based cleanser to remove the day from your face, makeup, sunscreen, dirt, debris, all the pollution that accumulates. Then you're going to follow it with a second cleanse using a water-based cleanser or a gel cleanser. So this second cleanse is going to really allow you to cleanse your skin thoroughly now that that film or top layer has been removed. The most effective way to do your double cleanse is to incorporate a cleansing device. It doesn't really matter if you're using it during the first or second cleanse. I tend to use it during my second cleanse when I'm really deeply cleansing my skin. So the Qyk Sonic Zoe has been my favorite cleansing device. I really love using this. So now you've watched the other videos, you know that the shape is ideal, you know that these touch pads are really efficient at cleansing, and it also penetrates product in a really cool way.
This year, Qyk Sonic launched 2 new devices. So in addition to the original Zoe, they now have the Zoe Bliss and the Zoe Plus.
In today's video, I'm going to show you the difference between the 3 devices, how to use them, and which one I like best. Okay, so first let's talk about the original Zoe. The original Zoe gives 6,000 pulsations per minute. So those are the oscillating pulses that are actually cleansing the skin. The original Zoe has over 2,000 biometrically positioned touch points. On the original, they go from smaller to larger at the tip. These smaller ones are gentler on the skin, and these larger touch points actually give a deeper cleanse, making it really effective around the nose. Its flip sides touch points have a ridge, and this is used to help push product into the skin. You get 300 uses on a single charge with your original Zoe. So you cleanse on one side and get a micro-firming circulation massage with this flip side of the device. With all of these devices, you get an additional 10% off if you use my code, the Organic Esthetician, and I will link that down below. So this is the Zoe Bliss. It gives 7,500 T-sonic pulsations per minute. So those are those oscillating pulsations that actually cleanse your skin. Its flip side has 1,600 biometrically positioned and enhanced touch points. And you get 500 uses per charge with your Zoe Bliss. So these are both $149. So let's look at the difference between the two. So size-wise, your original Zoe is considerably larger than the Bliss, and it's the smallest device that Qyk Sonic makes. The touch points on your Bliss are all those really gentle touch points that the original Zoe had. So really soft all the way through. On its flip side, the touch points are a little different than the original. So the biggest difference between these two devices is size. The technology in the Bliss has been updated, so you get more pulsations per minute and a longer charge, in addition to more touch points on both sides of the device. So both the original and the Bliss have 15 different settings, allowing for a really customized cleanse. The Bliss will remember where you last set your device and automatically start at that setting for the next time. You can always intensify or decrease the intensity when you're using the cleanser, but it will remember what you did the last time you used your device. This device also has a locking function, so when you're traveling, the device doesn't turn on in your bag. You're going to hold down the plus and minus button at the same time to lock your device. And to unlock your device, you're going to do the same thing. So on the back side of your Bliss, you get a charging station. All of the Qyk Sonic devices have a USB charging cord. So it's USB on one side, and the attachment on the other. When your cord is plugged into your USB port, the light on the opposite end will glow blue, and it just magnets in to your Zoe. Your Zoe Bliss comes in this cute little box. Inside the box, you'll get an authenticity card where you can register your device. You get a traveling pouch, and you get your cord. Next, we have the Zoe Plus. So this is the Big Daddy. It's about the same size as the original Zoe, although the shape is slightly different. The biggest difference you're going to notice right away is the weight. Your Zoe Plus is significantly heavier than the original Zoe. This device is quite lightweight. I really do love the feel and weight of the new Zoe Plus. So 6,000 pulses per second, 75,000 pulses per second, 9,000 pulses per second. 2,000 biometric touch points, 1,600 biometric touch points, over 3,000 enhanced touch points. Both the Bliss and the Plus give you over 500 uses per charge. So the Plus, just like the Bliss, remembers your setting from the time before. Both of these devices actually light up as you're using it, letting you know when to move on to the next section. So every 15 seconds, the bottom of your device will glow really bright, and the pulsation will pause for just a moment, letting you know to move on to the next section of your face. The Plus has a couple features the Bliss doesn't. First, you'll notice the shape. Your Bliss has this curved bottom. It still can rest on a counter easily, and its plug is on the reverse side. Your Zoe Plus has a charging port at the bottom of the device. Also has these two little touch points on the back of the device. So let's talk about these additional features. Your Plus is shaped like this because it has a third setting. So setting 1 is cleansing mode. Setting 2 is your product application mode. And on your Zoe Plus, setting 3 is your accessory mode. So your Zoe Plus has a setting for future attachments, but it comes with this metal attachment plate. This magnets to the bottom of your device. Now your cleansing device can be used to massage your face. How cool is that? This is why the Zoe Plus is my favorite device out of the 3. So to change your settings, you just hit this middle button. It turns the device on. If you hit it again, it's going to change the pulsations for your product penetration mode, and it gives pulses of pulsation. So this is what's really pushing product into the skin. Then you're going to press your device a third time. It's a solid light, and it's a gentler pulsation, and this is what you're going to use when you're massaging the face. So you can do lymphatic drainage, those downward movements that I've shown you in my gemstone roller video. Or you can do a more rejuvenating massage where you're actually carving upward on the face. Qyk Sonic will have other attachments in the future that fit onto your Zoe Plus. I'll be doing a full demo on how to use this attachment in the future. So let's talk about these touch points on the back. So Qyk Sonic is in the process of launching an app that's going to talk to your Zoe Plus and to the future Zoe Lux. These touch points are going to be used to monitor and measure hydration levels in your skin, and then you'll get your results on your app. The other difference between the Bliss and the Plus is the texture of these touch points. I do feel like the Bliss is a little gentler, so if you have really sensitive skin and you like using your Zoe on a lower setting, I would probably recommend the Bliss. If you like a slightly more vigorous and exfoliating cleanse, the Zoe Plus's touch points give just a little more gentle physical exfoliant as you're cleansing. If you had sensitive skin, you could still use the Plus, but I would just use it on a lower setting. The Bliss is really great if you're traveling a lot and you want something a little smaller and a little more lightweight, the Plus is fantastic if you're looking for a device with added modality. So you get cleansing, you get product penetration, and then you can also do all of your gua sha and facial massage with the bottom of your Zoe Plus. And then in the next couple months, when the app launches, you'll be able to measure your hydration levels in your skin as well. Original Zoe is still available online. It's a fantastic device. It's totally fine if you choose to just get the original Zoe. I think eventually they're going to be phasing these out. And I know that they do deals fairly often on the light pink and hot pink colored original Zoes. So look for those on Qyk Sonic's website. And my recommendation would be to get the Plus. I think it's so fun that you get 3 modalities in one. You guys know how much I love multitaskers, so of course the Zoe Plus is going to be my favorite. But I am truly loving both of these devices. Alright guys, I hope that gave you a little more insight into the new Qyk Sonic Zoe cleansing devices. I'll put links down below to all of the devices and to Qyk Sonic's website. I'll also put my code, so if you guys are interested in purchasing the device, you can use it for an additional discount. It's 10% off and free shipping in the US and internationally. Really quick, some really exciting news. I don't know if you guys noticed, but I hit 10,000 subscribers this week. So thank you all so much for subscribing. So cool that that many people like the channel. And I'm working on some sort of thank you for all of you. Hopefully I can get a little giveaway going. I've done giveaways on Instagram, but I've never done a giveaway on YouTube. I'm not entirely sure how that works, but I'm going to figure it out, and I'm going to try to get something really fun for all of you. A big thank you for supporting me and the channel over the last couple years. My next video should be on my new at-home microcurrent device, 70 Wellness's MyoLift Mini. If you follow me on Instagram, I've been posting a lot of my before and afters using the new microcurrent device. I'm really excited to share that with you guys, and I even have a little discount code with them as well. So stay tuned for the next video. That's a full tutorial on how to use your MyoLift. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, make sure you've subscribed. Make sure you like this video. Give it a little thumbs up down below. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. I love hearing from you. I'm really happy to be back posting on the channel. Alright guys, thank you, and I'll see you next week. Bye.